Hi students, how are you all? I know you all are very good and you are taking good care of yourself at your home. Today I am here to discuss about the question answer from the story The Ant and the Grasshopper. In the previous class you have learned about the story what happened with the ant and the grasshopper. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise from this text. Okay, first open your composition and comprehension book page number 18. Okay, now let's start. First instruction is write whether these statements are true or false. Means you have to write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. Okay. First I am writing the statement. The first statement is the ant was lazy. The ant was lazy. The ant was lazy. Is it correct or is it incorrect? Tell me. And as you can see in the story, there is a line. A lazy grasshopper laughed at a little ant and she was always busy. Means the grasshopper was lazy, not the ant. The ant was very hardworking. So you have to write false because this statement is false. F-A-L-A-C. F-A-L-A-C. False. The ant was not lazy. The ant was not lazy. The ant was hardworking. Okay. Next statement. The grasshopper was singing merry songs. The grasshopper was singing merry songs. The grasshopper was singing merry songs. It is true or false? Come on, tell me. Why are you working so hard? He asked. Come into the sunshine and listen to my merry songs. The grasshopper told this. So, it is very true. The grasshopper was singing merry songs during summer. The grasshopper was singing merry songs. Merry songs means cheerful songs, lively songs. So, write true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay, and the third statement. The ant was comfortable during winter. The ant was comfortable during winter. Number 3. The ant was comfortable. Comfortable during winter. Tell me, the ant was comfortable during winter. Is it correct or incorrect? Yes, it is correct because the ant was gathering food for winter and he settled down in her house comfortably. So the ant was comfortable during winter. True, it is true. Right? T-R-U-E. True. You all have learned the story. The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. Tell me, it is true or false? The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper? No, he did not give. Okay, there is a line. No, replied the ant. The grasshopper had nothing to eat, so he went to the ant and begged for a little corn. But the ant replied no. Means the ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. No, it is not correct. So you have to write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, so we have completed 4 statements. True and false. The first statement is false because the ant was lazy. It is not correct. The ant was hardworking. The grasshopper was singing merry songs. Yes, the grasshopper was singing merry songs during summer. Okay, so it is true. The ant was comfortable during winter. The ant was comfortable during winter. Yes, she was comfortable during winter because she had gathered food for winter. The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. The ant gave some corn to the grasshopper. No, he did not give corn to the grasshopper. Okay, now student, The second question is answer the following question. The instruction is answer the following questions. Means you have to write the answer of the following questions. First, I am writing the question. All of you listen carefully the questions and answers from the story. Why was the ant gathering food? Why was the ant gathering food? The first question is why was the ant gathering food? Gathering food. You all know why was the ant gathering food? As you can see in the story, there is a line. Why are you working so hard? He asked. Come into the sunshine. Sorry, a lazy grasshopper laughed at a little ant. She was always busy gathering food. So why was the ant gathering food? You have to write the ant was gathering food for winter. Okay. So why was the ant gathering food? The ant was gathering food for winter. You have to write this answer. The ant was gathering food for winter. Gathering means collecting, storing. Okay. The next question is, what did the grasshopper tell the ant in the summer? What did the grasshopper tell the ant in the summer? I am writing the question. What did the grasshopper tell the ant in the summer? In the summer. Okay. What did the grasshopper tell the ant in the summer? Tell me, you all know. The grasshopper told, come into the sunshine and listen to my merry songs. So you have to write the grasshopper told come into the sunshine and listen to my merry songs. MERRY, merry songs. Okay, full stop and then complete code. Okay, the grasshopper told, come into the sunshine and listen to my merry song. What did the grasshopper tell the ant in the summer? The grasshopper told, you have to write the grasshopper told, then put a comma and start coding. Come into the sunshine. If you don't want to put code, so you have to write come into the sunshine and listen to his merry song, not mine. Okay, listen to his merry songs. This is the answer of second question. And the third question is, did the ant give the grasshopper any food? It is very easy. I am writing the question. Did the ant give the grasshopper any food? Number 3. Did the ant give the grasshopper any food? Tell me, did the ant give the grasshopper any food? No. The ant did not give any food. So you have to write no. First you have to write no, then put comma and write the ant did not give the grasshopper the grasshopper any food. Any food. Okay. So did the ant give the grasshopper any food? No. The ant did not give any food to the grasshopper. As you can see in the line, the grasshopper had nothing to eat. So he went to the ant and begged her for a little corn. No, replied the ant. So the ant did not give the corn. Okay, and the last question. Why was the grasshopper not singing in the winter? Why was the grasshopper not singing in the winter? You all know. Why? Because he had no food. He had nothing to eat. Write the answer in one word. Why was the grasshopper not singing in the winter? Question number 4. Why was the grasshopper not singing in the winter? In the winter. Tell me, why was the grasshopper not singing in the winter? You all know. Because he had nothing to eat. You have to write because BECAUSE, because he had nothing to eat. Okay, so this is the answer. Why the grasshopper not singing in the winter? Because he had nothing to eat. That's why he was not singing in the winter. Okay. And number C. Question number C. First read the instruction. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. You have to take correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. The given words are laughed. I am writing the words LAUGHEGHED. Laughed means smile. You all know. Gathering. GATHERING. Gathering means collecting. Next, sunshine. Sunshine means sunlight. And merry. Merry means cheerful, lively. Plenty. Plenty means much. Plenty means much. And now comfortable. COMFORTABLE. Comfortable means pleasant. Okay. Now student, you have to put the correct order in the blank. First is Amrita is dash apples from the tree. First question is Amrita is AMRITA. Amrita is dash apples. Dash apples from the tree. Tell me which word is suitable for this blank. Amrita is dash apples from the tree. Loved. No, Amrita is loved apple. It is not correct. Gathering. Amrita is gathering apples from the tree. Yes, it is correct. You have to put gathering. GATHERING. Gathering means collecting. So, this sentence has meaning Amrita is collecting apples from the tree. Next. The sofa at your house. The sofa at your house. At your house is so dash. Tell me student, you all know. The sofa at your house is so loved. Gathering? No. Sunshine? No. Merry? No. Sofa is not merry. Plenty? No. Comfortable? Yes. The sofa at your house is so comfortable. So you have to write comfortable. Comfortable means pleasant because the sofa is very soft and we love to sit on sofa. COMFORTABLE. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. The sofa at your house is so comfortable. Next, we dashed so hard at the clown's red nose. You all know, clown had red nose. Look at the picture of clown. It has red nose. Okay. I'm writing the question. So we have taken gathering and comfortable. Left, laughed, sunshine, merry and plenty. Now you have to take this word. We dash so hard. We dash so hard at the clown's red nose. At the clown's red nose. Red nose. Tell me which word is suitable for this blank. We laughed, or we plenty, or we sunshine, or we merry. We merry is not correct. We sunshine is not correct. We plenty is not correct. You have to write we laughed. We laughed. What is the spelling of laughed? L-A-U-G-H-E-D. We laughed so hard at the clown's red nose. Okay. Next, number 4. I love sitting in the desk during winter. We all love sitting in the desk during winter. Think. Sorry, the number 4 question is we sang. We sang. I have mistaken. We sang dash carols during Christmas. D-U-R-I-N-G, during Christmas. Tell me, during Christmas we sang merry carols. We sang merry carols. You have to write merry. Okay, so we have taken merry. M-E-R-R-Y, merry. We sang merry carols during Christmas. Next question, number 5. I love sitting in the desk. I love sitting in the desk during winter. During winter. We all love to sit dash during winter because winter is very cold. I love sitting in the loved sunshine, plenty. Which is correct? Sunshine. We love sitting in the sunshine. We love sitting in the sunshine during winter. Okay. Next. Question number 5. We brought, one is left. We have used laughed, gathering, sunshine, merry and comfortable. So one is left. You have to use in the blank. Number 6. We brought dash of flowers for mother. Tell me, we brought dash of flowers. We brought plenty of flowers. You have to write plenty of flowers. P-L-E-N-T-Y. Plenty of means much flower for mother. We brought much flower for mothers. Now student, we have completed fill in the blanks. Once again I am repeating. Amrita is gathering apples from the tree. Amrita is gathering apples from the tree. The sofa at your house is so comfortable. The sofa at your house is so comfortable. We laughed so hard at the clown's red nose. We laughed so hard at the clown's red nose. We sang merry carols during Christmas. We sang merry carols during Christmas. I love sitting in the sunshine. I love sitting in the sunshine. And we all love to sit in the sunshine. We brought plenty of flowers for mother. We brought plenty of flowers for mother. Okay, and the next question is write four differences between winter and summer. You all know. Write four different sentences. Write four sentences difference between winter and summer. You all know. I am telling you. Summer is very hot and winter is cold. And we wear cotton clothes in summer and we wear woolen clothes in winter. And we in summertime daytime is very long and in winter night is very long. Okay, you can write like this. That's all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the class and thank you for watching this video.